here. We just walked into the fair. It's a big surprise to me, but check this out, you guys. Guess where I'm gonna be DJing for today? For Fox Sports News. What? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. DjDuPree here, a forever student of the DJ culture. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in with me. I know it's been a while, you guys, and I appreciate every single one of you for still having that subscribe button, hit that bell notified so you can be notified of this video right now. Woo! I'm excited. Okay, let me give you some context. I have this friend. He's more like a mentor, right? And anytime this friend calls, you answer the phone. So he calls me around 8 o'clock at night, and he says, "What's going on, Dupree?" I said, "Hey man, nothing much, just chilling. You?" He said, "Hey man, what are you doing tomorrow?" I said, "What time?" He says, "Tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock. I was like, "Nothing." He's like, "All right, I need you down at the state fair." Okay, what's going on there? He says, "Hey man, big things about to happen. I need you down there at 8 o'clock. I was like, "Okay, I'll be there. So what do I need to bring?" He said, "Just bring your laptop." Okay, cool. All right, man, I'll see you there. That's where we're at right now. I'm on my way. It's 7:50. We're about 3 minutes away right now, and we're just gonna go with the flow and see what happens. Let's go. Guys, we're here. We just walked into the fair. It's a big surprise to me, but check this out, you guys. Guess where I'm gonna be DJing for today? For Fox Sports News. What? Look at this setup. Look at the setup. They got the nice cameras and everything. This is crazy. I need to show y'all this. Let's get a good look at this setup. There we go. All right, you guys, as you can see, this place is legit as it gets. Fox Sports News. I gotta send a huge shout out, big appreciation to my man, my mentor right here, JT, aka DJ Daddy Fast, Vegas, Dallas.
Man,
go ahead, talk to him. Go ahead, talk to him.
Wait, hold on, listen, man. First of all, shout out to the man, DJDuPree.
Wow.
Camera game is on beast mode now. Goodness gracious. I had to bring my little bro out.
Wow.
One of the things is I promote is making sure that you put other DJs in the perfect position to be successful. And whatever I can do to give back to other great DJs, that's exactly what I do. So DjDuPree got the call. We're here with Anthony Russo, Identity Marketing, and then also Fox Sports.
Fox Sports. This is crazy, man. So that's what I'm talking about, guys. This is one of the DJs that actually does that. He puts on for DJs who are coming up, have a talent, and he just wants to bloom that talent. You know what I'm saying? Like, if other DJs did this, we can be doing so much right now, guys. Instead of undercutting each other and doing all this low-grade BS, you know what I'm saying? Help each other. Like this man helps me. Let's do some more B-roll of this place. Oh my God. Was that today was just the walkthrough. So we got there early to set everything up. Obviously, when you're dealing with people like Fox Sports News, you know they're gonna be on their stuff. So the prep is ridiculous. I think they've been prepping for over a week now. We just had to get to make sure the sound's right. And tomorrow, we're going to actually do the DJs. Whew. What's going on, guys? Am I out of focus? Yeah, it looks focused. Oh, cool. All right, you guys, it is 6 o'clock in the morning right now. I just arrived to the fair. Obviously, it's completely dead pretty much, but we have to be here early for sound check, you know, make sure everything's running smoothly. Even though we did the walkthrough yesterday, got to make sure the sound check is still good today. I'm a little upset because I forgot my shades all the way back in the parking lot. I don't know if I'm gonna end up going getting them or not. All right, you guys, we're here. We're set up. It's Texas OU weekend. We got the Oklahoma Sooners over here. We got the Texas Longhorns over here. My man DJ Daddy Fat's going in right now on the 1s and 2s. It's just getting kicked off right now. We're doing announcements, telling people we got prizes. Really trying to make this Fox News area the party, the place to be. There's about 8,000 people at the game already. We're gonna try and make this area the most poppin' area at the fair. It's gonna be a challenge, but I think we're up to it. Let's see what we can do here.
So I just keep running. Where the sand runs into the oceans, where I'll get lost and let the raindrops fall around my castle of cards. Facing the lions, I felt the courage leaving my heart. 'Cause even I know every battle leaves you with scars. So now I'm running like you set me free out in the wild. I know you want me to come home, but it might take a while. I got my heart on my hands while my head's up in the clouds. And no one knows if I will make it back.
So with a little update and why I'm so blue right now is because it's raining outside and we got this giant tarp protecting the equipment. And we got the Oklahoma Sooners helping us out, baby. Yeah! They're helping us out.
Thousands of people doing this in unison. Yeah?
All right, you guys, what's going on? That is it. That is the end of the gig log. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I'm sorry I didn't get to do my classic wrap up like I normally do while at the location, but long story short, I was doing some editing and a lot of my footage got deleted. I don't even want to talk about it. It was a sad day in my house. But anyways, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Please do one of two things for me. Subscribe, click that bell. I'm gonna start kicking out these gig logs more and more throughout the year 2019. I'm DJ Dupree, a forever student of the DJ culture, and I'll see y'all in the next one. We out of here.